Hey crew, what's going on? Hey, I just want to apologize. We just got through with the show here at the swap meet here in Carlisle. I really want to apologize to all my followers, guys. I tell you what, I messed up everybody. I even confused myself there for a while. I kept saying fall swap meet, the 2022 fall swap meet at Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Guys, I'm still, I guess, behind a few months. This is the spring swap meet, so I apologize for my last video and stuff that I kept saying fall. I actually had a couple of guys, a couple of you guys actually wrote in and said, CJ, what are you talking about, the fall swap meet? Man, this is spring. So I gotta get with the guys. I just, my brain just keep going, guys, and keep going, and I'm still about 3 months behind. So anyway, guys, this video is actually the spring swap meet, so I apologize if I kept saying fall swap meet. I guess I was just so excited. I don't know what time zone I'm in. So anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I recorded this video yesterday and stuff, guys. We're posting it today. So I hope you guys have had fun down here. All the guys that came down to the swap meet and stuff. I met a lot of guys this weekend, had a blast. So anyway, enjoy this video, guys. And like I said before, I apologize to you. So I'll catch you guys here at the end of this video. Peace. All right, we're back up here on the top of the hill, guys. Carlisle, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, you watch the BRISTOL Miles Garage with CJ. All right, this $1 million view up here. Let's take a good scan. We done walked all of that. We walked all of that. $1 million view right there. And this is what we're walking. This is the top of the hill up here. Can't really see the hill. Those some cool stuff there. How y'all doing?
What you doing? What you doing?
Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, look at that right there. That's an Arizona car, I bet you. I bet you that's an Arizona car. They're about the same shape, ain't they? They're about in the same shape. How much you want for your pumps there, sir?
2,000 for the pair.
Headlight bezels, little tub. If you're into the toys, cool little toys here. They got the toys.
He just looked at me like, what the?
Scooters, mopeds. Alright, we're gonna see if we can find some cables today, guys. I need some heater cables. If we can find some heater, we will definitely find some. Yeah, I know. But they look like they're all stamped.
What do you mean by stamped?
Like they're you can buy them. I mean, they look like a kit.
It is.
Oh, okay. I guess I don't think nobody built that. It just looks like a something.
It's all brand new.
Yeah, something you can put together.
Too little for me.
It was too little for me too. But I mean, I think they look cool. There's a little sign there. Alright, so we finally found our cables. These cables here, they go to like a heater box, but I use them for my inside door latches to open up my doors. So I've been looking for those. I actually normally find a vintage air place or whatever and haven't seen them the whole time here. That's a little cool sign there. Now, since I found my cables, I guarantee you that I will probably find more of them now since I've broke the ice and found these. That's how it works. All right, let's move on.
I wouldn't mind having something like that right there.
That's cool, man. Ain't that cool? That's cool.
That one fail?
You know it is.
Well, yeah, don't know.
I'll just take the car. It's rougher than the Cobb though, ain't it? That's a pretty cool old truck there.
Yeah, it's got a Chevrolet Dash.
Yeah, a Chevrolet Dash?
Yeah, it's a Chevrolet. It's got a 55 Chevrolet.
Look like somebody replaced all aluminum in it, didn't it? Yeah?
55 Chevrolet. Somebody stuck in there.
They sure did. And this is some real rusty gold here, brother. Close that thing. I mean, the tracks on it work good too, don't it? I mean, the tracks works.
Yeah, they work.
I like the. What is this thing anyway?
I couldn't tell you what that
I guess that's the motor that came out of it.
is. It probably is. Just brakes in the back, got the fancy brakes.
And wheel wood too.
Fancy truck, dude.
Yeah. Nice paint job on it too.
Yeah, it's slick.
What was that, 350? How y'all doing?
Good morning, guys.
Yeah, nice paint job on it. Really nice.
The ones that are not the long S ones. The long S ones are $1.75, and the one next to them are $1.60. The little ones.
How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Fine. I like your little pumps.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So these here are gas pumps, but check it out. They're made of wood. Now, did you carve these? You did these, right?
Yeah.
What made you get into doing, like, I mean, this is my first time ever seeing.
I've been doing it for about 12 years now, and I was in Florida at a car museum.
Yeah.
They had a small one about this size here, and they went almost $500 for it.
Wow.
And I thought, well, you know what, I can do that.
Yeah.
And I always wanted a pump, but I didn't want to pay that kind of money.
Exactly.
So I built one for myself, and then I just took off from there.
That's awesome. You got a creative mind. So are you a carpenter by trade?
Yes.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Well, what's your name there?
Marlon Lute.
Marlon Lute. All right, I appreciate you. I probably put this on my YouTube channel, and because like I said, this is my first time seeing some creative design like this. So you did good work.
Well, I'll give you a card if you put it on there.
Yeah, sure, for real. All right, it just started raining, guys, here in Carlisle, but it's not stopping nobody. It's not stopping nobody.
I'm gonna keep them. I gotta go out and get the food.
All right, guys. Right now we're taking a little break, but we've been doing a lot of videoing and stuff, and we found a lot of cool stuff. Normally the fall Carlisle, unfortunately, we always come up here whenever we're building trucks or we got parts or future builds and stuff. But as you guys know, I'm actually working currently on a 55 Chevy shop truck. I got all the parts for that. So after this build, we're gonna start working on all our gas pumps and stuff. I got a slew of gas pumps over the last 2 years that were purchased from this event. And we got all the parts for it. We got the globes, we got the sight glasses and everything, the rubber pieces for it, also the nozzles. So that's what we're going to be working on after we finish with this shop truck, guys. But I can't thank you guys more. I keep stressing it. Thanks for helping me out, watching my channel. Thanks for all the support. I've been meeting people out here in Pennsylvania. This is almost 7 hours away from me, and I've been running into people talking about they watching my videos. Of course, you can't miss me. You know, I'm one of the most handsomest guys out here with the camera, so I guess the camera kind of draws a little bit of attention. And plus, I'm good looking, so you guys know how that is. But on a serious note, though, but thanks a lot, guys, for hanging out with me today. I know it's raining out here, so I'm gonna cut this video short and stuff. And you know what I'm gonna tell you? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, put your post notification bell on so you get all the latest and greatest videos from me and stuff. And then, hey, if you're new to the channel, you're watching Resto's Mods Garage with CJ. And yes, I am CJ. So like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I catch you guys on the next video. Peace.